Welcome to Learn Forward, an intelligent, interactive, and inspiring EdTech platform by Vidya Prakashan Mandir Private Limited. A hybrid learning solution available on web, Play Store, and Apple Store. Designed exclusively for K-8 students and teachers. Learning has never been easier. With Learn Forward, education meets innovation right at your fingertips. Getting started is simple. 1. Sign up first by entering your details. Once completed, you can sign in using your mobile number. 2. You'll receive an OTP. Enter it to verify your account. And that's it. The app is ready to use. No complicated forms, no lengthy registration, just learning, simplified. Next, fill in your name and mobile number. Select your class and the book series from Vidya Prakashan Mandir Private Limited. Every Vidya book comes with a QR code. Just scan it and instantly unlock your flip book, a complete digital version of your textbook. And that's just the beginning. Your flip book gives you access to smart learning tools. Learn through videos, concept clarity like never before. Animations bring lessons to life. Flashcards revise anytime, anywhere. AI worksheets practice and test your understanding. Ask your doubts, send questions and get instant solutions. Learning becomes fun, engaging, and effective. For teachers, Learn Forward is your ultimate companion. Generate teachers' manuals instantly. Download answer keys with a click. Create custom test papers. Using the Smart Test Generator, AI-generated lesson plans. Plan your classes effortlessly and save time. Plan, teach, and assess, all in one place. With Learn Forward, we are not just going digital, we are moving forward towards smarter, faster, and joyful learning. A booster for K-8 success, powered by innovation, guided by Vidya, and designed for the future. Learn Forward, your complete K-8 learning solution. Download now from Play Store, Apple Store, or access via web. Start your journey from Sankalp to Siddhi with Learn Forward.